In this video, I'll show you how to export data from Google Forms to Microsoft Excel. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used to create the form. Once the page loads, open the form you want to export, then go to the Responses tab. Here, you'll see all the responses, including names, emails, countries, and phone numbers. To download these responses, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the Responses tab. From the menu, select Download Responses.csv. Your file will be downloaded automatically. Open the downloaded file, and if it's in a zip folder, extract it first. Then, open the .csv file. It will open directly in Microsoft Excel. Now you can see all your form responses neatly organized in Excel, ready to edit, analyze, or save. You can also save this as an Excel workbook from here. Alternatively, you can open it with Google Sheets. Then go to File and select Download. Next, choose Microsoft Excel. And that's it. That's how to export Google Form responses to Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.